the beach without freezing.
Hello my gorgeous people, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I'm super excited because we're going to be doing a holiday eye tutorial, and we're also going to be using very affordable eyeshadow palette. Is this palette right here from e.l.f. This is Opposite of Tracks. This is a very beautiful eyeshadow palette. I used it before in my video, so we're going to do it again. And the reason why I chose this palette is because number one, it's affordable, and number two, it's screaming to me holidays. I'm liking that green, that black, and this warm color right here, the soft brown color. We're going to play with those type of colors in our eyes and create a beautiful look for the holidays. So if you guys are ready to create a beautiful look and super affordable, then stay tuned. I'm going to be using in this e.l.f. palette right here. I'm going to be using first, I'm going to place in my crease area, I'm going to place this color right here. I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is the Bling brush collection, and this is E12, so it's just a fluffy little brush like this. I haven't used this brush yet, so this brush, I'm like learning how to blend with it right now, but so far this brush is pretty cool. Beautiful too. Look how beautiful is this. This is gorgeous. Now this brushes is screaming holiday vibes. So I'm just warming up the lid just so we can begin with the process of the eyeshadow. But this e.l.f. product is pretty good. Now I'm going to place this color right here, and it's a brown soft color. I'm going to place that in my crease area. I'm going to use this flat brush right here, and I'm just going to place that near my crease area just to bring out that color. And then I'm going to use the fluffy brush, and I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm keeping it nice and warm right now. And then we're going to place the black. I'm going to add a little bit of that brown color. I'm going to add a little bit of that warm color, that brown, and just place it in my outer corner. And then grab this color right here and bring out that yellowish color. It's like a soft tan. So we're just gonna place it on top of the brow bone just to blend out the brown. Just like a mustardy color. That is gorgeous. I'm loving that right now. So now I'm going to place this black color in the outer corner of the crease. I'm gonna use a flatter brush like this, and this is E16, and I'm gonna place that black right in the corner. And I'm gonna use this little brush right here just to smoke it out. Now what I'm doing is I'm just blending everything out just so we don't have that harsh line. Don't you worry guys, this is gonna come out beautiful. And if you want to darken the black a little more, you can. So I'm darkening the black. And then grabbing that mustard color again and just blending. Alright guys, so I'm going to leave it like that. So I'm going to cut the crease. I'm going to do a half cut crease, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camel Concealer, and this is medium sand. I'm going to use this brush right here, and this is the cutting crease, and this is a CC1 Showstopper Beauty. To place that right here. So I'm going to grab that flat brush again with the black color, and I'm just going to bring that black in. Now I'm going to use the same brush where I have the black product. I'm going to use the back of it, and I'm going to place that green color in the crease area. I'm going to place this green color right here. I want that green to pop, so I'm adding more, and I'm just not blending it. I'm just packing it. Now I'm just bringing out that black color again. And then bring back that green, that mustard color again. And I'm just going to blend everything out. Just smoke everything out. That's gorgeous. So now I'm just blending everything together and give it like that smoky effect on the eyes. Super Christmassy, guys. Beautiful. So now what I'm gonna do is, since I got the color that I like, I'm going to wing my eyes, and I'm going to be using Pretty Vulgar in black ink. I'm just gonna use my Morphe angle brush like this and just make a nice little wing. I've been liking this Pretty Little Vulgar ink. It's so black and pigmented. All right, guys, so I did a bigger wing just so I can grab that flat brush, and I'm gonna grab that black, tap it a little bit, and then I'm just going to darken it up a little bit more. So on the side right here. There you go. You see, I'm grabbing that black shadow and I'm just tracing that line right here on the corner. It's a holiday look, guys. We want to go bold, you know. This is the only time you can go very exotic and very like, yes girl, you're glam. All right, guys, so I'm letting my lashes sit for a little bit, so I'm going to finish up the eyes. I'm going to do the bottom eyelids. I'm going to place this black shadow right here, and I'm going to place it underneath my waterline. And then I'm going to place the brown color right here underneath that black color. I like a good brown, black, smoky eye on the bottom lid. And I'm going to just blend that out. I'm going to place this nude eye pencil, and this is for Rumble London. And I'm going to place that underneath my waterline. Just to brighten the eyes up a little bit, I'm going to place this color right here, and it's Low Key, and I'm going to place that in my inner corner. I'm going to be using this flat brush right here, and this is Morphe M152. Super gorgeous color. I don't love it, so we're just going to add some glitter in the inner corner. Because it's the holidays, I'm going to add gold glitter in my inner corner just to give it a little pop. Just because it's the holidays, and why not give it a little pop with some shimmer. Yes, that's cute. When I think about holidays, I think about shimmer and glitter. So now I'm going to do my lips, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Retro Paradise, and this is in brown. Alright, and now I'm going to use Ms. Rose, the Beeper color, and just place that on my lip. to set my face, I'm going to be using Milani Make It Last setting spray. I'm going to set my face. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday makeup tutorial and me using affordable eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. And if you guys enjoy this, please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, bye bye.
Have a good time, dance all night long. We're gonna dance and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song.